What up, though, fam? It's your homie Grand, and I'm back with a new track with some beat making hacks. So without further ado, let's whack up some new crack. We're about to have some fun, y'all. We're gonna produce an old school Bruno Mars band soulful type vibe. It's gonna be real quick, and you're gonna enjoy it. Let's get it cracking. All right, first thing we're gonna do is pull up Heat Up, and I'm gonna pull a guitar from there. I'm going to go ahead and set our click and pre, and go ahead and put our chord progressions in. Now what I'm gonna do is take these chords and dirty them up and make them sound old school. And that's good. We're just gonna loop that. Now let's go ahead and add some effects to it, and we're going to dirty it up, give it some old school vibe. I'm gonna pull up Pulverizer here, and let's scroll down to our effects and get Waka Waka Pulverizer. Now listen to it here. So you see we got the little wah-wah vibe going on here. Before and after. Now we need to dirty it up a little bit more. So let's go over here and we're going to grab let's get the mix box. Mix box got some good sounds in it. And we're gonna go ahead and pull it up. Now this got a nice auto wah in it. So let's go ahead and grab that auto wah. Yeah, sounding sexy. And then let's add like a dirty record to it. Dirty sound vibe. Dirty it up a little bit. Yeah. And let's put a dynamic preamp on it. I mean a compressor. It's an old school compressor, so we can keep with that authentic sound. Yeah. You know, my voice sounded like a DJ in the music. Now bear with me, because this is the foundation. You know, don't panic on me. We're gonna add one more sound, one more element to it. This is Origin from Cymatics. Cymatics is magical, fam. So you hear I got it sounding dirty and warpy. Yeah. That's working. Put the chorus on it. No. Put a pre. Yeah, perfect. Perfecto. All right, cool. And let's get the. Now, the reason why I want to use this is because it sounds more real. It's an actual sample, but it sounds more authentic than if I tried to play it. That's a shrill or trill. And this is the back sound of it. And we're gonna take the same sample and just pitch it down. Let's make 3 copies of it. Now don't worry about it sounding the same, because we're gonna pitch them down. Let's go over there and do that right now. Yeah. Uh-oh, halfway there. Okay, cool. All right, and let's take that one and slide that one down too. Sound like a sad bumblebee. Excellent. All right, we're on to something, but I'm gonna need to add some strings to that, but we'll get to that later. I want to add the bells to this, so I have an authentic. Yeah, that's that true soul vibe. All right, now let's go over here and pick up our bass. Yeah, that's perfect. And what's cool is that bass actually sounds very realistic. Now remember them strings I said we're gonna add? Let's go ahead and add that right now at the end of this. Perfect. Okay, that's cool. Now we're gonna add a realistic guitar. Check out Ample Guitar, man. It's the most authentic, realistic sound you will ever hear in a guitar. Now let's add our whockers. Apple guitar is a beast. Let's go to our model drum. We're going to use the rock, and we're going to add some fills in there so we can get a realistic drum band in there. I like to use realistic sounds so we can sound like a real band. You gotta check out Moto Drum. It's by IK Multimedia. I like to use that because, of course, it just sounds like a band. Let's go ahead and get some hi-hat loops because we're finna work on our drum pattern now. And that's cool. We give it a lot of movement. I'm just gonna copy that, but we're gonna pull some more elements in here. Good, I got a lot of percussion going on. And we can copy that and just loop that. Now let's go ahead and add our kick drums in there now. And we're gonna kind of hope that ain't too loud for you. Yeah, perfect. This is gonna be a vibe, fam. So yeah, and we're just gonna really rock it. We're gonna feel it. Perfect. Now we can just copy that because the pattern gonna pretty much stay the same. Perfect. And we can just copy this on out. Excellent thing. And we're just gonna loop that. Yeah. Perfecto. Now let's go ahead and add our snare. And yeah. Now y'all feel a vibe. You feeling it now? You feeling me now? All right. Yeah. No. Slide that. Okay, perfect. Now just pop that. Slide and make another copy. Push that back. Yeah. Now that's the undertone. That's the undertone. Now we gotta put a heavier snare in there. Yeah. A little heavier, right. Perfection, baby. Perfection. And now we want to add a more fuller 808 snare. Yeah, now they give it foundation. It locks the melody down. Yeah. All right, now that we got that locked, let's go back to our bass. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now let's play it from the top. That's a vibe. You feeling me now, baby? You feeling me now? It's your homie Grand Kizzle when I'm back, y'all. this is an episode showing you how productive you can get if you got the right sounds and some simple elements. We got a lot of nice drum samples. We got a lot of nice quality instruments, and you put it together, you know what you're doing, and you can make some rock and roll, baby. Well, this is rock and soul. I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. I'll see y'all next time.